Right there it is.
The gas light was on, so I
Oh yeah.
went ahead and filled it up.
Thank you.
Pretty much full.
Cool.
Set.
Where'd you end up fitting that horn at?
We did right here.
Oh, got you. Cool.
It's loud too.
Nice.
I hear you.
Yeah, no doubt. So does it still do the stock one at the same time?
No.
No.
There's a dial on there. You can make it louder or quieter.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Set, man.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, have a great week.
Yeah.
Love you. Bye.
Love you too. Bye. Okay. Well, that's not really exactly what I was thinking, but it'll be all right. Okay. So, number one, the brake is going to be probably a little more touchy because it's new. And two, I must have adjusted the clutch. I don't like it right there. So they put the horn on right underneath my air intake, which, wow, they really moved that clutch. They didn't leave the stock horn with the horn, so I'm gonna have to do that myself, which is, as long as they didn't take it off. Yeah, see, they got the clutch way out there. I don't like that. Brake feels tight, but nothing crazy. Oh yeah, I gotta make an adjustment on that clutch, that's for sure. He also filled my gas tank. I used to have one of those, just like it. That's funny, but I want the other one too. I wonder if I could put them on a separate switch. My brakes don't squeak though, that's good. It's riding good, but I mean, it's cold out, so it should. Oh, watch this right here. See that stuff they spray on the road? That gets slippery. Very slippery. It's like they call it brine. It's a liquid salt. Can you hear it?
Yeah, how did it run? How did it run?
Runs great. Did you see me take off in the at the bottom of the hill down here?
Oh yeah. Where'd they put your horn?
Well, not exactly where I wanted it.
I knew that was gonna happen. I don't know why you just let them do that.
I said I want it hidden.
Where's it at, honey? That's hidden from you. It's much different than hidden.
It's right here.
That's your horn.
So not exactly where I wanted it.
Where?
Right here, inside of here.
Oh, where did you want it?
Inside of here.
Wait, but where do you...
Well, I thought saying I want it hidden, like hidden inside. I also said to leave the stock horn, and they didn't leave the stock horn.
Did they give it to you?
No, I think it's still there. They just bypassed it.
Oh, not yet.
Not exactly sure. I can see it.
I asked you 2 times before they installed it if you were for sure you knew they were installing it in the right spot.
There wasn't a spot. I said, find a spot.
You really should have went to the thing and been like, can you put it here?
I should have.
Yeah.
Now I'm sad. This is not exciting. It's December 23rd, Christmas Eve. It's going to be cold. It's about 45 degrees, which is good, but the sun's down. I have my summer gloves on because I thought it was going to be a little warmer, and that was a stupid idea. Got a new alternator and battery though. Clutch is in a little different spot, and new brake, and the horn has been upgraded. So here we go. Oh yeah, that's cold already. There's only one way to combat the cold, and that's adrenaline. Burr, 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 burr. I bet I'm the only one out here right now. Christmas Eve on a motorcycle. I think it's about 45. Can we see? Can we see? Let's look. 46 is what that says. I don't know if I believe that. I should have wore like a sweater though too. Like, I just have a t-shirt and then I have a long sleeve t-shirt over it, and then a wind jacket, then my leather coat. But it's not, it's mostly my hands that are cold. Another motorcycle, can you believe it? I can't believe it. Let's go! It's 2 lanes! You can go red and a red, go! Bye-bye, car that I honked at for the first time. You're the first real honker. I honked at you for a reason. It was because you don't know the traffic laws. That's my horn. It's still kind of tiny. Out here in the wild, riding around, it's like, it's loud, but it's probably not what you expect from a motorcycle. See, I don't like that long delay in the shift because it's waiting for the clutch to come out. I don't like it. I want it to come out instantly, right now. I hear something rattling. Did you hear it? Right there. Something's rubbing or rattling or something. I wonder if it's the horn. I wonder if it has something to do with the horn. Definitely something rattling. I can hear the shock rattling or something. I don't know what it is. Okay, that squeaking is annoying me. Hear it? That's not good. It's getting worse. You're in the way, woman! Why? Why'd you do that? Can you help me?
What do you need help with?
Where is this coming from?
Oh. It's a terrible noise.
Five minutes later.
Well, yeah, I don't know what that is. I didn't do it.